put it in. So I have to ratchet strap it so it doesn't move around, which is so weird. Yeah, I'm only gonna take like little snippets of it.
Yeah.
Just to start. Of how we actually get our canoe on.
Yeah. Can I use the washroom, puppy, before we go? To go poo? Cut.
GoPro, start recording. This is how I set up my canoe. There's 2 ratchet straps, no straps in the front. And we use these little blocks. So yeah, 2 ratchet straps going across on the angle. We have our red flag in the back. It only hangs off less than 4 feet. And the rest goes across. Yeah. We're about to go to Killarney Provincial Park.